Guys, it's a girl for those who know, don't know, and want to know, period. So, as you see by the titles, I will live in Jamaica and you guys are coming with me. So, let's go. Let's go to the intro. Let's go. Let's go.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel. Part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with your friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright. Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
Make you look bad. Anyways, we are currently going to take her COVID test.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Is this your first time testing? Oh, so you should know this. Well, no matter how many times you test, some people always end up getting nervous.
I'm not ready to discuss.
Yes, just take your time. Take the birds. How did you do it?
Just ready your mind.
Just look at this.
I don't want to see it.
Yeah, I mean, like, because I need you to take your baby.
Oh.
Whoa! Dennis, I kicked in your nose.
But it's not me doing it. Okay, so.
Yeah, boy.
Wasn't that bad, was it?
Taste it, please. It's not bad, but it. My mouth is scratching me. It wasn't that bad.
Oh my god, I think we have to do it again, sorry.
What?
I'm sorry.
You're not serious.
I'm joking.
Yeah. Oh! That would have been too serious.
Did you get that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wanted to see the expression on her face.
That's no. Scratch. What's it doing? Taking a picture? You stop. Stop making noise. Yeah, take a picture. The results coming out now?
Ours is negative so far. I'm
That's
just gonna wait for it.
Well, you still have to wait to see if it's going to change?
I mean, some persons have a big viral load, and then you could detect it almost immediately. Some persons don't have that much of a viral load, so you need to wait and wait the result after 20 minutes.
Okay.
But it's not looking like a positive test. Like I said, wait for another 10-15 minutes, and then you go get a positive test.
Okay.
So I will result in put it on your mailbox in half an hour at the max.
Okay. We're going to get a hard copy?
You want a copy?
Yeah, I want a hard copy.
Did you tell you by the window here like that?
I'll tell you if I confirm.
Oh, okay, alright. Yeah, you should get your hard copy.
So keep it real with Dana.
Sorry?
Keep it real with Dana.
Keep it real.
With Dana.
Ah, keep it real with Dainelle.
Awesome. So people, I just did my hair. It's giving me 6 farm. What is it giving me? It's giving me 6 farm. I did have the puff at the back and my hair is so dirty, so my hair is going to look shrinked and half. I don't know how I feel, but my mom could get together a little dinner, you know, them just decide to say, hey, you know, we're gonna see dinner again, we need to do something for her, and they decided to do a dinner. So they're treating me, so money's not spending, and Melissa didn't have a camera card on purpose, so yeah, so this is my hair. I don't know who boys, but yeah. So I'm gonna soak up in. It's the same day, so I'm gonna like shower and talk to you guys. Anyways, I'm going to like run the show in the next hour because it's after 3 and the dinner is like 5:30 earlier, right? And it is, so I requested it to be earlier. So as soon as I shower and as soon as I shower and I'm on my way, I will let you guys know. And this, I'll give you more info on everything when we reach there and everybody's there and all the nice stuff. Okay, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the video, don't forget to comment and let me know so we can get some post notifications shout out. Like, what are you waiting on? Yeah. I am saying kitchen. Haven't come. Guys, I'm going. Thank you, Constant. Oh, mama. I wonder if no man YouTube.
Why is it purple?
Isn't this beautiful? They're on their way.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want up the lane, your deep, baby, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain.
Them might discuss me, I don't know what them attack.
Alright, so
2002 what? I didn't born 2002, born 2001. For those who don't know.
I say please make it better.
No difference. Anyway, by the way, still, you must have just been on a 16.
That's 2002, my boy.
Kabeta will start.
No, as in, I know Martin. It was my day.
So guys, this is where everyone decided to share about their experience and their encounter with me.
However, I choose not to share it, and they have also requested it because it's very vulnerable and it's emotional and it's just for my ears. So you can just see, and I'll be playing some music over it. Enjoy!
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
So I don't know how this song on my background like whoa, but it is that time for me to leave, and it's pretty sad, but this is my fate. What can you do with it? Let me see if I can turn on the camera. This is my shoes, you know, look at Nike. But yeah, so we're going to go now. The music never goes, I'm going to speed this up, but we're going to go now. It's on my hair, we don't wash, but let me try the airport, I'll let you guys know.
Sound swaying like the palm trees. You and me were poetry, painting stories with our lips. Ay, 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 ay. Ooh, ay, 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 you're like a wave washing over me, pulling me underneath, sinking slowly.
This is where we stop. So I'll see you guys in the next video.